Mr. Daddy.
Are you ready to make the pizza?
I make the pizza.
Yeah, put the brush down. Pull your sleeves up. Okay. You're gonna put some flour on the board, okay?
Flour?
Yeah. It's called bench flour. Can you say bench flour?
Bench flour.
Yeah, you need the bench flour. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna put the dough on the board. I know, it's okay. Okay. Here we go. We don't need that. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna roll out, we're gonna flatten out the dough, okay? Push it down. Push it down good. Keep pushing it down. Okay, come on. Got to do like that. Okay, we're gonna flip it over. Push it down again. Push it. Push it good.
Look at this.
We're gonna push it down again. Ready? Okay. I'm gonna get all the air pockets out. Here, your turn. Push it. Okay. Now we're gonna roll it out, okay? You ready? Here, do like this. Can you do that? Roll it on the ends. Yeah, roll it. Can you do that? Gotta roll it hard, baby. Okay.
Cheese.
Pull it out some, okay?
And my cheese. I did that.
You gonna do that? Can you stretch it out like that? Let me see. You got to stretch it out on the ends. No, 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 no. On the ends. No, Olivia. Got to press it out.
I did that.
Yeah, we got to keep flattening it out. Then we got to roll it some more.
My cheese.
Hmm?
My cheese.
Cheese? Not yet. It's not time yet. You got to roll it out some more. Come on. Roll it. On the ends. Roll. Watch your fingers.
Wash your finger.
Yeah, wash your fingers. Come on.
Sorry.
It's okay. Mm-hmm.
It's clean. It's clean.
Let's put some more flour on it. Mm-hmm.
It happened. Please.
Not yet. You got to roll it out.
Not that one.
Hmm?
It happened.
Now we got to do it with this one.
What's that?
Hmm?
What's that?
That's pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Yeah, pepperoni. Hold on, baby. Use it on the end. Got to roll it. Take flour on your head. Come on. No, not yet. It's not time. It's not time. You got to roll it out some more.
Water.
Huh?
Water.
Okay. Not yet. Come on. We got to finish rolling out the pizza dough.
No.
Come on.
That's not that one.
Hmm?
Not that one.